If you're looking for the most cutting-edge AI tool to boost your content creation, you're in the right place. Gummi, image caption generator, has just been released, and today we're diving deep into 7 crucial things you need to know about it. Whether you're a digital marketer, content creator, or just curious about the next big thing in AI, this is the software that could change how you generate captions for images fast. Stick with me until the end, because I'll share how to get started for free and why Gummi might just be the AI tool you didn't know you needed. First off, let's talk about what Gummi actually does. It's an AI-driven software designed to generate accurate, engaging, and creative captions for images. Think about how much time you spend crafting the perfect caption for social media, blog posts, or marketing materials. Gummi streamlines that process by using advanced machine learning to automatically generate captions that fit the context of your images, saving you valuable time. Now, one of the standout features of Gummi is its ability to analyze the image's content and generate captions that aren't just random phrases, but highly relevant and tailored to the context. This is especially important if you're working with a high volume of images and need consistency across your content. Whether it's for Instagram posts, e-commerce listings, or blog images, Gummi ensures that each caption matches the tone and intent behind your image. Next up, Gummi allows you to customize the captions according to your specific needs. This means you can tweak the style, length, and even tone of the captions to match your brand's voice. Whether you need something formal for professional settings or more casual for social media, Gummi offers enough flexibility to ensure your captions resonate with your target audience. Another crucial aspect is the speed of generation. Gummi isn't just accurate, it's fast. The software can generate captions in seconds, so you won't be waiting around for the content creation process to slow you down. This is perfect for anyone who works under tight deadlines or manages a high volume of content, like social media managers or marketers. But it's not just about speed and customization. Gummi also offers multilingual support. This means if you're working with a global audience, you can generate captions in different languages, expanding your reach without having to manually translate every piece of content. For marketers, this is a huge time saver, especially when targeting international markets. One of the most useful features, especially for content creators, is the integration capabilities. Gummi works well with other platforms like WordPress, Shopify, and social media scheduling tools. This makes it easy to automate the process and seamlessly incorporate Gummi's captions into your existing workflow without any extra hassle. But what about the accuracy of the AI? Gummi uses a highly sophisticated algorithm that ensures its captions aren't just grammatically correct. They actually make sense in the context of your image. You won't have to spend time correcting weird, off-the-mark captions like some other AI tools. The level of precision in Gummi is one of its strongest selling points. And here's something you'll want to know. Gummi is currently offering a free trial so you can try the software before you commit. That's right. You can start generating captions today, risk-free. Just click the first link in the description below to get access to the trial. Trust me, after testing thousands of AI tools, Gummi stands out for its simplicity and effectiveness. Now, I know you might be wondering if Gummi is right for you. If you're someone who manages large volumes of images for marketing or social media purposes, or if you just need an efficient way to create captions without spending hours brainstorming, Gummi. Image caption generator is worth checking out. If you want to see which other AI software I recommend after trying thousands of them, I've listed my top picks in the description below. So, don't forget to check them out after testing Gummi. In summary, Gummi. Image caption generator is a must-try for anyone looking to optimize their image captioning process. With its speed, accuracy, and customization features, it's poised to be a game changer for digital marketers and content creators alike. Remember, try it for free with the link below, and I'll see you in the next video.